Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hot Skinny Recipe. Today I'll show you how to cook mushrooms perfectly. Golden, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. Let's get started. First, clean your mushrooms gently using a damp cloth or paper towel. Avoid soaking them in water. Mushrooms absorb moisture and can get soggy. Next, slice the mushrooms evenly. This helps them cook uniformly and gives you that perfect texture. Now, heat a pan on medium high, add a tablespoon of olive oil or butter for rich flavor. Add the mushrooms in a single layer. Don't overcrowd the pan. This ensures they sear beautifully instead of steaming. Seasoned with salt, black pepper, and garlic. Stir occasionally and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until they turn golden brown. If you want to add extra flavor, you can finish with some fresh parsley, a splash of soy sauce, or a squeeze of lemon juice. And that's it, perfectly cooked mushrooms that are juicy, golden, and full of flavor. Now, mushrooms are incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them as a side dish, on toast, in pasta, or with steak. They add a rich, earthy flavor to any dish, and are also a great source of vitamins and minerals. If you're looking for more quick and easy recipes, don't forget to browse through our channel. We have a wide variety of delicious and nutritious recipes that are perfect for any occasion. And if you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Now, some people might be wondering why we cook mushrooms on a medium-high heat. Well, cooking them on a lower heat can cause them to steam instead of searing, which can result in a less flavorful and less appealing dish. A medium-high heat ensures that the mushrooms release their moisture and cook evenly, giving you that perfect golden brown color and delicious flavor. Another frequently asked question is, can I use dried mushrooms? The answer is yes, but you need to soak them in warm water for about 20 to 30 minutes to rehydrate them before slicing and cooking. We also get a lot of questions about how to store mushrooms. The best way is to keep them whole and unwashed in a paper bag or a container with a loose lid in the refrigerator. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy mushroom recipe. It's a simple yet delicious way to cook mushrooms, and I'm sure you'll love it. So give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. And I'll see you next time.